Swimming in the ocean can be enjoyable, but it's important to remember that there are many dangerous creatures living underwater. These creatures can be found in oceans all over the world. We've made a list of the top 30 most deadly sea creatures to humans. 30. Murray eels. Murray eels are large, brightly colored eels that can be dangerous to divers. Although they usually don't attack unless provoked, their sharp teeth can cause serious injuries. While their flesh is not poisonous, it can be toxic if eaten. 29. Stingrays. Stingrays are usually peaceful creatures that only attack when they feel threatened. They have venomous spines on their tails that can be dangerous to humans. In 2006, a stingray killed the famous Australian conservationist Steve Irwin. If you see a stingray in the wild, admire it from a safe distance. 28. Great Barracudas. Great barracudas are large, fast-swimming fish with sharp teeth. They are known to be dangerous, but attacks on humans are uncommon. They are often attracted to shiny objects, so it's best to avoid them. 27. Striped Pajama Squid. Striped Pajama Squid is a small, cute-looking creature that lives in Australia. Despite its appearance, it's both poisonous and venomous. It can release a dangerous slime and has a venomous bite. This squid is a master of disguise and can hide itself under the seabed. 26. Humboldt squid. The largest species of flying squid typically have a lifespan of just 1 year. They can grow to over 7 feet long, including their tentacles, and can lay up to 20 million eggs in that time. Fishermen from Chile to Alaska refer to them as red devils due to their aggressive nature. There are many accounts of Humboldt squid squirting ink and even attacking scuba divers when approached. 25. Giant groupers, as their name suggests, are massive fish, often reaching up to 880 pounds and growing as long as 8 feet. They are the largest bony fish found in coral reefs, ranging from the Red Sea to Hawaii. Although they are generally not aggressive toward humans, divers are warned to keep their distance due to the grouper's size and highly territorial nature. 24. Sawfish, also called carpenter sharks, are actually members of the ray family. Known for their distinctive saw-like snout, they are one of the largest fish in the world, growing up to 23 feet in length. Their skeletons are made of cartilage, and while they are not typically aggressive toward humans, their spiked snouts can inflict serious injuries. Unfortunately, sawfish are now critically endangered due to overfishing and marine pollution. 23. Fire corals, part of the hydrozoan group, are more closely related to jellyfish and other stinging cnidarians. Despite their harmless appearance, they can cause intense skin reactions, especially for deep-sea divers. Found in tropical and subtropical waters worldwide, fire corals release a stinging venom when touched, resulting in a burning rash and sometimes soft tissue infections. Although not fatal to humans, divers are advised to wear full wetsuits for optimal protection. 22. The Titan triggerfish is highly territorial and well known among scuba divers and snorkelers for its defensive behavior. Many have experienced nips, bites, and bruises after unknowingly disturbing its nests. Although not venomous, Titan triggerfish possess sharp teeth and spiky dorsal spines for defense. Divers are strongly advised to steer clear of their nesting areas, especially during breeding season, as these fish may aggressively chase intruders all the way to the surface. 21. Scorpionfish, much like their land-based namesakes, deliver a powerful sting. Known for their spiny heads and venomous fins, they come in a variety of vibrant colors, including bright red. Anyone who accidentally steps on their sharp, poisonous spines can suffer deep puncture wounds. Although their venom is not typically fatal to humans, it can cause severe pain and swelling, often requiring medical attention. 20. The crown-of-thorn starfish, one of the largest starfish species, poses a significant threat to coral conservation as it feeds primarily on coral. A single starfish can devour up to 100 square feet of coral in just 1 year. For humans, they can also be hazardous. Their vibrant pink or purple bodies are covered in thorny, venomous spikes that can cause excruciating pain, as well as tissue and liver damage. 19. The Stargazer Fish. Despite its dreamy name, the Stargazer fish is far from gentle. Known for its venomous spines and ability to deliver electric shocks, It spends most of its time buried in the sand with only its face exposed. When threatened, it can generate up to 50 volts of electricity through its eyes, much like a Marvel superhero. Additionally, its back is armed with a venomous spine, making it a formidable and rather unattractive creature. 18. Electric eels, despite their name, are actually more closely related to carp or catfish than true eels. Found in the murky waters of South America, they typically release a mild charge of under 10 volts but can unleash a powerful 860-volt shock for defense or hunting. Though attacks on humans are rare, multiple jolts can lead to respiratory or heart failure, and even drowning due to the shock. These impressive creatures can grow up to 8 feet long and weigh up to 44 pounds. 17. The Yellowlipped Sea Crate, also called the Banded Sea Crate for its distinctive black stripes, inhabits the eastern Indian and western Pacific Oceans. Though its venom is highly potent with neurotoxins that can be deadly to humans, these sea snakes rarely attack. Fortunately, they are a generally calm species that can comfortably live both on land and in water, spending much of their time hunting their preferred prey, fresh eel. 16. Leopard seals, unlike their more cuddly counterparts, have a reputation for aggression, especially toward humans in Antarctica. Equipped with razor-sharp teeth, these powerful predators can grow over 11 feet long and weigh up to half a ton. Their strength makes them particularly dangerous, and there have been instances of attacks. In a tragic 2003 incident, marine biologist Kirsty Brown lost her life after being dragged underwater by a leopard seal. 15. The lionfish, with its striking red, white, and brown stripes, is nearly as dangerous as its namesake. Native to the Indo-Pacific, it has become an invasive species in the Caribbean and American waters, where it aggressively preys on native marine life. Its sharp, venomous spines can cause severe pain, breathing difficulties, and even temporary paralysis in humans. With few natural predators in these new environments, lionfish populations have surged, leading to significant ecological challenges. 14. The Portuguese Mano War, despite its name, is found in various regions, including as far as Cornwall, UK, and the Caribbean. Often mistaken for a jellyfish, it is actually a siphonophore, a colony of individual organisms functioning together. Its tentacles, which can extend up to 100 feet, deliver a painful sting through venomous cells, causing red welts and discomfort that can persist for weeks. 13. Pufferfish, also known as fugu in Japan, are renowned for their spiky appearance and the potentially lethal toxin they carry. Despite being considered a delicacy, pufferfish contain tetrodotoxin, a neurotoxin that can cause paralysis, respiratory failure, and death. Due to the danger involved, chefs must undergo extensive training and obtain a government license to legally prepare the fish. If improperly handled, diners risk exposure to the toxin, which is 1,200 times more potent than cyanide, with no known antidote. 12. Flower urchins. Despite their delicate-sounding name, flower urchins, Toxoneustes pileolus, are anything but harmless. Their Greek-derived scientific name, meaning poison breath, hints at their dangerous nature. With a pinkish hue that may appear attractive, they can deliver a powerful sting, causing intense pain, paralysis, and even drowning for swimmers and divers. Their venomous spines are so sharp they can pierce through wetsuits, making them a serious threat in the ocean. 11. Bull sharks may not receive the same Hollywood fame as great whites, but they are equally formidable predators. With over 100 unprovoked attacks, 27 of which have been fatal, they are a serious threat. Their adaptability sets them apart. Bull sharks can live in both saltwater and freshwater, allowing them to appear in unexpected locations. Despite their fearsome reputation, bull sharks are listed as near threatened on the IUCN Red List due to habitat loss and overfishing, highlighting the need to protect even the ocean's top predators. 10. Dboy sea snake, recognized by the Guinness World Records as the most venomous marine sea snake, is native to the Pacific Ocean and ranks among the top 3 most venomous snakes on Earth. While generally calm and unlikely to bite unless provoked, its powerful neurotoxic venom can lead to serious effects, including paralysis, drooping eyelids, and muscle necrosis. 9. The tiger shark, one of the ocean's most formidable predators, is easily recognized by its unique stripes and insatiable appetite. These massive creatures can reach up to 16 feet in length and weigh over 2,000 pounds. Found in tropical and subtropical waters, tiger sharks are responsible for the second highest number of attacks on humans, trailing only the great white shark. With powerful jaws and serrated teeth, they can inflict serious injuries, although attacks on humans are relatively uncommon. 8. The Iranian Jellifish, despite being no larger than a thumbnail, is one of the most dangerous creatures on this list. A type of box jellyfish, it is notorious for causing Irukandi syndrome, a condition that starts with a barely noticeable sting but quickly escalates to excruciating pain, a sense of impending doom, and in severe cases, even brain hemorrhages. Australia records 50 to 100 stings annually, mostly in the northern waters near Queensland and Western Australia. While treatment is available, Irukandi syndrome is still considered one of the most agonizing experiences a person can endure. 7. The beaked sea snake is one of over 60 species of venomous sea snakes, but it's the one you definitely want to avoid. Its venom is incredibly potent, being 4 to 6 times more toxic than that of a cobra, and it can cause severe paralysis, including paralysis of the diaphragm. This snake is found throughout Asia and Australasia and often slithers along sandy areas. Most bites occur when they become entangled in fishermen's nets, highlighting the importance of caution when exploring their habitat. 6. Great white sharks, despite their fearsome reputation, rank relatively low on this list, primarily because confirmed attacks are quite rare. Since record-keeping began in 1580, there have been 59 confirmed fatalities attributed to great white shark attacks globally. Nevertheless, these iconic predators are responsible for the highest number of fatal shark attacks, with a total of 351 unprovoked bites recorded. In 2023, there were 3 fatal attacks involving great whites, 2 in Australia and 1 in California, highlighting their potential danger to surfers and bathers who inadvertently find themselves in their territory. 5. The geography cone snail is the most lethal member of the cone snail family, recognized for its extremely potent venom that can kill a human with just one sting. This venom contains a complex mix of carnotoxins, leading to severe symptoms such as paralysis, respiratory failure, and death, with no known antidote available. Although encounters with humans are infrequent, this species has been linked to at least 30 recorded fatalities. Its ominous nickname, the cigarette snail, reflects the grim notion that a victim would have only enough time to smoke a cigarette before succumbing to the effects of its venom, underscoring the rapidity with which it can act. 4. The blue-ringed octopus belongs to the beautiful but deadly category of marine life. Its striking electric blue markings serve as a warning to predators, becoming visible only when the octopus feels threatened. Found in Southeast Asia and along the Australian coastline, its bite is painless but lethal, causing respiratory failure and potentially death within minutes. Tragically, there is no antidote for its venom. Victims often remain conscious yet paralyzed as the toxin takes effect, experiencing a horrifying awareness of their situation without the ability to respond. 3. The stonefish, known for its remarkable resemblance to rocks, holds the title of the world's most venomous fish. These masters of camouflage are often nearly invisible in their surroundings, striking when stepped on by unsuspecting victims. Their venom is delivered through sharp dorsal spines, leading to excruciating pain, paralysis, and necrosis. If left untreated, a stonefish sting can result in heart failure within less than an hour, making prompt medical attention crucial. 2. The saltwater crocodile is the world's largest reptile, with males reaching lengths of over 20 feet and weighing up to 2,200 pounds. Known for their fearsome appearance and powerful bite, which is the strongest of any land animal, these creatures inhabit both land and water and can live for up to 65 years. They are notorious for their predatory nature, often sleeping with one eye open to watch for potential meals. Saltwater crocodiles have been implicated in hundreds of attacks globally, with fatality rates varying by region. In Indonesia, for instance, there were 170 recorded attacks in the past decade, resulting in 85 fatalities. 1. The Australian box jellyfish holds the title of the deadliest sea creature, with its tentacles reaching up to 10 feet in length. Its venom can inflict severe damage, targeting the heart, nervous system, and skin cells, potentially causing paralysis, cardiac arrest, and death in just 2 to 5 minutes if left untreated. Compounding the danger, the The box jellyfish possesses 24 eyes that assist it in navigating through the water. Since the late 1800s, Australia has recorded 79 deaths attributed to its sting, but the actual global death toll is likely higher due to underreporting, particularly in regions like Southeast Asia.